Module 8. Mistakes you should avoid when buying push traffic. Let's speak about what you can do wrong. False expectations. Sometimes advertisers trap into illusion that everything will work out as planned, that high ROI scenario is inevitable. By thinking this way, you may spend your budget without any significant results, and what's more important, data. So data-driven advertising works much better than assumptions. Push traffic doesn't convert. After an advertiser tested a few offers and didn't get fast ROI, he thinks that push traffic doesn't work at all. If you do like this, you leave a ton of money on the table. The problem is not in push traffic. The problem that people are lazy. They use the same creatives and landing pages that are used by thousands of other advertisers. What you can do? Invest in unique images and landing pages. And if you need help, let us know. We can help with new creatives. Always using the same blacklist. Looking into the reporting, an advertiser notices that some user IDs, site IDs, or publisher IDs didn't bring conversions. An advertiser may think that this is a waste of a budget and blacklist these traffic sources forever. Yeah, blacklisting of traffic sources is a must-have step, though blacklisting traffic sources for all future campaigns and verticals isn't the right decision. There could be thousands of reasons why you didn't get conversions. Don't put user IDs in blacklist forever.